Hey, is your Bitwarden data not syncing between devices? Like you save a password on one device and it just doesn't show up on another? Yeah, that can be frustrating. Let's fix it step by step. All right, first, try a manual sync. Uh, Sometimes Bitwarden doesn't sync instantly, so you need to trigger it yourself. Do this on both devices to make sure everything updates. Next, make sure both devices are connected to the internet. Yeah, no connection means no sync. Okay? Now log out of Bitwarden and log back in on both devices. This refreshes your session and often fixes syncing issues. This one's important. Make sure both devices are using the same server region. If one device is set to US and another to EU, your data won't sync properly. Next, check for updates. Outdated versions can cause sync problems. Also, make sure you're logged into the same Bitwarden account on both devices. Yeah, sounds obvious, but it's a common issue. Another thing, VPNs or strict networks can block syncing, so try turning off your VPN and syncing again. And if nothing works, reinstall Bitwarden on the device that's not syncing. Yeah, this usually fixes stubborn issues. And yeah, that's it. Your Bitwarden data should now sync properly across all your devices. Just follow these steps and you'll be back on track. All right, so